Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the Midsummer Weekly Update for the 2022-23 school year. For those who don't know me, I'm the school's parent liaison. I am your guide to PBMA. We provide weekly videos, email, and text updates. And if you ever have a question, feel free to contact me. On July 27th for the elementary campus and July 28th for the secondary campus, from 8:30 a.m. until 1 p.m., we will have Form Fill-Out Day. On this very important day, families come up to school to fill out important school forms, such as signing up for buses and shuttle, before and after care, order uniforms, receive car line windshield signs, and complete other important paperwork. We will also have samples of uniforms so parents can see the sizes. Families with students on both campuses can attend either day, and Kona Ice will be there from 10 to 1. School supply lists have been emailed to parents. The lists can also be found on our website. Parents tab to Forms and Links. Scroll down to School Supply Lists. Uniforms are sold through our website. Click on the Parents tab to the Uniform submenu. Then click the link to the uniform company. To see the uniform choices, click on the 3 lines on the top left of the page. Meet the Teacher is on August 9th. Please bring your students' school supplies to Meet the Teacher. There's a lot to carry. Meet the Teacher for grades kindergarten and grade 5 is 12:30 till 1:15. Grades 1 and grade 4 is 1:30 till 2:15. And grades 2 and grade 3 are 2:30 to 3:15. Middle school is from 1 o'clock till 2 p.m. and high school is 2:30 p.m. until 3:30 p.m. The first day of school is Wednesday, August 10th. Kindergarten students have a staggered start. Your kindergarten teacher will let you know when your new kindergartner's first day of school will be. It will be on August 10th, 11th, or 12th. Then the entire class will attend on Monday, August 14th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I hope you're having a fantastic summer and enjoying the nice warm weather. We've been so busy here at school getting ready to welcome you back. We have some new projects in the works, one of which I'm super excited about, is our media center coming soon. I'm really excited to support literacy and get more books in the hands of our students. Also, please make sure you are reading this summer. Keeping those literacy skills going is so important. Every Tuesday morning, we are posting videos of a staff member doing a read aloud. This is a great way to support literacy and to see some of your favorite teachers. Please make sure you're keeping an eye on your Jupiter Ed messages. A lot of emails and information will be forthcoming about school opening. FSA scores have been released. We had some really great academic improvement this year. I'm so proud of everyone. The hard work definitely showed. Keep an eye out from an email from Mrs. Cooper. She'll be sending directions on how to access those scores electronically. Or you can also call the front desk. Miss D or Miss May can tell your child's score over the phone. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their summer. And before I go, I wanted to introduce a new member to the PBMA family, Dion Stone. She is our new middle and high school principal, and I'm so excited to be working with her.
Hello, everyone. It is with great honor that I introduce myself to you, Dion K. Stone, as the new principal of Palm Beach Maritime Academy Secondary. The high school was established in 2014 and had its first graduating class in 2017. Since its establishment with one class, the school has expanded to over 300 students. We are seen in the community as a top-performing school that combines academic rigor with the social-emotional needs of all our students. We are eager to begin the new school year with new student organizations, expanded field trips, sports, and a few expansions and additions to our physical campus. I know that the educational landscape has changed over the past couple years. That, however, has not deterred us from our mission of ensuring that our scholars reach their full potential. We are extremely proud of the class of 2022, both graduating seniors and 8th graders that are now embarking upon their burgeoning high school career. This year will be unlike any other, and we look forward to welcoming our returning families as well as our new PBMA shark families. This year, we will celebrate, accomplish, and learn as we continue to make our mark in history. We know that the culture of care and the tenacity of our parents, students, as well as the community at large will continue to offer us the ability to strive and thrive. Thank you for your ongoing commitment to and support of Palm Beach Maritime Academy Secondary. My staff and I look forward to seeing you soon. Welcome back to 2023.
Please sign up for our important and emergency text message system. Text K5 PBMA for the elementary campus or 612 PBMA for the secondary campus to the number 844-764-2094. Looking forward to seeing everyone at Form Fill-Out Day. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.